Remote work jobs for stay-at-home moms are becoming increasingly popular as more and more women seek flexible and remote work opportunities that allow them to balance their work and family responsibilities. Here are some potential remote work jobs for stay-at-home moms. Virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks such as scheduling, email management, and social media management. Virtual assistants, VAs, are responsible for providing administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. This can include tasks such as email management, scheduling, bookkeeping, and social media management. VAs can work for multiple clients or for a single company. The pay for virtual assistants can vary widely depending on the client, the tasks involved, and the VA's level of experience. Freelance writer. Many websites and businesses are looking for freelance writers to create content for their websites, blogs, and social media channels. Freelance writers create content for a variety of clients, such as websites, blogs, magazines, and newspapers. Freelance writers can specialize in different topics and niches, such as health and wellness, technology, or finance. The pay for freelance writers can vary widely depending on the client, the type of content, and the writer's level of experience. Online tutor. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular, and there is a growing demand for tutors who can help students with a wide range of subjects. Online tutors provide academic support to students in a wide range of subjects, from elementary school to college level. The pay for online tutors can vary widely depending on the subject, the level of education, and the tutor's level of experience. Graphic designer. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for graphic designers to create logos, websites, and marketing materials. Graphic designers create visual designs for a variety of purposes, such as logos, websites, marketing materials, and product packaging. Graphic designers can work for a variety of clients, from small businesses to large corporations. The pay for graphic designers can vary widely depending on the client, the type of project, and the designer's level of experience. Customer service representative. Many companies are looking for remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries and resolve issues. Customer service representatives provide support to customers through phone, email, or chat. Customer service representatives can work for a variety of industries, from retail to healthcare. The pay for customer service representatives can vary widely depending on the company, the type of support provided, and the representative's level of experience. Social media manager. Many businesses are looking for social media managers to help with their online presence and manage their social media accounts. Social media managers are responsible for managing a company's social media presence, including creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Social media managers can work for a variety of clients, from small businesses to large corporations. The pay for social media managers can vary widely depending on the client, the type of content, and the manager's level of experience. Online translator. Many companies are looking for online translators to translate documents and websites into different languages. Online translators translate written documents, websites, and other materials from one language to another. Online translators can work for a variety of clients, from small businesses to government agencies. The pay for online translators can vary widely depending on the client, the language pair, and the translator's level of experience. Transcriptionist. Many businesses and organizations are looking for transcriptionists to transcribe audio and video files into text. Transcriptionists listen to audio or video recordings and transcribe them into written documents. Transcriptionists can work for a variety of clients, from healthcare providers to legal firms. The pay for transcriptionists can vary widely depending on the client, the type of content, and the transcriptionist's level of experience. Web developer. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for web developers to create and maintain their websites. Web developers create and maintain websites for a variety of clients, from small businesses to large corporations. Web developers can specialize in different programming languages and frameworks. The pay for web developers can vary widely depending on the client, the type of project, and the developer's level of experience. These are just a few examples of remote work jobs for stay-at-home moms. It's important to research the job market and identify opportunities that match your skills and interests.